Hi guys, today I'm unboxing this Lime Bob. I want the purple and here we go. Well, I want the secret. All of the secret. So let's go. This is a lot. I made it this. Oh, I made it this. I made it this today. And also, like, if you want to make me this. What's this? Open what I get, Akaya. Alright. Is this Kuromi? It is Kuromi! And what is this? Open it. I think this is sushi. More? Oh, shit. Chips is a sushi. Bro! Nakandu, I don't know that. That's all for now. And I use this. I use this. Just kidding. I use this. Labu labu, labu bu, labu bu, labu bu, and I use this. So my favorite and this one.